HVAC Delta T explained for homeowners and technicians. Learn how to visually inspect for causes of abnormal temperature. Split fast. Spot the most common culprits by eye, and apply pro-level diagnostics that cut troubleshooting time in half. Start with context. Delta T is the temperature drop across the evaporator coil in cooling or the rise across the heat exchanger in heating. For cooling, expect roughly 16 to 22 degrees Fahrenheit in normal humidity and airflow. Put on a bright headlamp and inspect the return grill and filter first. If a pleated filter looks bowed, gray, or noisy, you likely have static pressure problems choking airflow. Open the air handler or furnace top panel and look for frost, water staining, rust trails, and an oily sheen that can hint at refrigerant leaks. Shine a light through the evaporator coil fins. If light does not pass evenly, you have impacted dust or biological growth. Note any matting near the bottom 2 inches where condensate carries debris. Outside, examine condenser coil fins for flattening, cottonwood fluff, grass clippings, or dryer lint. Check the coil perimeter, not just the face, and look between fan guard spokes for accumulated debris. Watch the condensate trap while running cooling. A weak or gurgling drain can signal a double trap or blocked vent, raising coil pan water and reducing heat transfer. With the system running, observe the suction line insulation. If it is missing, waterlogged, or sun-cracked, expect heat gain that skews Delta T readings at the air handler. Finally, scan supply registers with your hand for uneven throw or whistling that can indicate hidden duct restrictions, crushed flex, or disconnected takeoffs robbing airflow. One of the most common mistakes with abnormal Delta T diagnostics is skipping airflow verification and blaming refrigerant charge. Airflow issues from dirty filters, matted evaporator coils, or duct restrictions cause low evaporator load, leading to low suction pressure and frost that mimic undercharge. Fix by measuring temperature drop across the filter, visually confirming coil transparency with a backlight, and gently straightening or cleaning fins with manufacturer-approved cleaner. Another frequent error in heating and cooling troubleshooting is ignoring visible duct leakage in attics or crawlspaces. Leaking return ducts pull hot attics or damp crawlspace air, diluting return temperature and wrecking temperature split. Look for dust streaks along duct seams, loose tape, and sagging flex, then seal with mastic and mesh. Add proper supports every 4 feet and replace crushed sections. A third issue is focusing only on the condenser face while missing side and rear coil blockage and bent fins. Reduced outdoor heat rejection elevates head pressure, narrows temperature split, and strains the compressor. Clean from inside out after removing the top. Use a fin comb to restore airflow channels. Maintain a clear 2-foot vegetation clearance. And verify fan blade pitch and motor rotation by visual check and arrow on shroud. BigHomeProjects.com lists verified heating and cooling contractors with photos, reviews, insurance, and licensing details, so homeowners can quickly find pros who understand Delta T diagnostics, airflow balancing, coil cleaning, and duct sealing. Contractors use our directory to showcase expertise, win qualified leads, and book more jobs from homeowners who want faster, cleaner, and more accurate solutions.